you doing? Believe in yourself, kids.
Where's my mom?
All right, guys, we're here today with
Damien.
And he's challenging me to
A game of skate.
and
Anything counts.
He's talking smack.
Apparently, yeah. Apparently, if I win, Aaron's gonna give me a Braille board.
He says, Aaron, you're a poser.
Whoa, I didn't say that.
What? Okay, you know how we start this, the Rochambeau. Oh, wait, whoa.
That was it, right? Rochambeau.
Rock, paper, let's go. 1, 2, and then shoot on 3.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Dang it, you're first. Okay.
Hooray!
Don't win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna beat you for calling me a poser.
I didn't call him a poser.
Switch ollie, first try. Generally in anything counts is where we do the weird trick. So we do anything counts and he does a normal trick. He just goes switch ollie. He's just trying to take me out.
Ah, man.
Switch ollie, got him.
I was hoping at least something.
Imagine I just hit a rock straight into the broken glass. Shoo!
Well, we're left with nothing left to beat
Why you have every trick under the sun, moon, and stars?
Yeah, because you can do everything else.
Frontside 180, first try.
All right. Well, the only problem is all this stuff that you're gonna show me, like you'll get practice on, and then I'll still never beat you.
No, that's not true. I mean, I taught JD how to skate. Now he's doing 900s in a vert ramp.
This is true.
He could definitely beat me. Fakie.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
same trick, fakie.
How do you get yours so high?
Because I work out.
Because you work
Just
out?
kidding, I don't work out. But I need to work out. I should work out. Oh my word, the shinner.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
I'm actually sad I missed the trick.
It's my turn.
Yes, sir.
Should I take it easy or hard?
Whatever you want to do. Go extreme.
Okay, you ready?
No holding back.
I've been waiting to do this all day.
Oh my God.
Popcorn, baby.
Okay.
Yellow belt trick number 1.
Okay.
Oh wow. When
I
the
don't think
pressure's
so.
on,
I don't think so.
he pays to play. Came to play.
If you watch the first episode, I struggled. You watch the second episode, now there's a competition I'm on.
Yeah, literally. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh man. We didn't practice this one.
No, we didn't. Okay, I'm just gonna flip it over.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? No. Just because he's complaining so much, I'm gonna go even easier
Oh
than that.
my God. That's even harder.
Okay, you ready?
It's even harder.
No way.
That's even harder, man.
Anybody could do that.
Anybody but me.
You're just literally on the balls of your feet and then just push it forward.
I'm just gonna take a letter.
No, you're doing that.
Oh man, no. Whoa.
Yeah, one at a time.
Now we're good.
No, you can do it. I'm not letting you bag out on this.
Man, I don't want to die.
You're not gonna die. Come on. You can do it. Shove it forward.
I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. Bend your knees and lean back and shove forward.
I'm good here.
No, you're not. Go.
I'm good here, bro.
Okay, you stand on there and I'll kick the board.
No, that's even scarier.
Then just do it.
Oh my God, no.
This is the first in history. I'm playing him anything counts game of skate. He's trying to take a letter. I'm not letting him take a letter. You can do this.
All right, I'll hold my hand then. Hold my hand then. All right, fine. If you hold my hand, I'll do it. Because I know I could do it if you hold my hand.
It's literally falling forward anyways. That's it. Was that?
It was scary.
Believe in yourself, kids. Believe in yourself. You're literally just falling forward and it's going into place. Now just shove and jump. Go. Okay,
It wasn't
that's
moving
it.
forward.
Now just do it without holding.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
It wasn't moving.
You really want to give up on it?
Slightly.
Okay, you want to take a letter?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll let you take a letter.
Thank you.
No, I'm not. Do the trick.
Oh my God.
Okay, one more try. You haven't even tried it yet. This is one of those things that you're gonna do it and then you're gonna go, oh, that was easy. What? Okay, let me ask you this.
Yes.
What are you scared of?
I'm scared of falling backwards.
That way?
Yes.
In what scenario could that happen?
Well, I guess none if I'm trying to fall forward, but it's not falling forward, so.
But how could it fall? Like, give me the scenario where it does fall backward. Like, how?
I don't know. I mean, I already stood on it and I didn't fall backwards, so I shouldn't be afraid of falling backwards, but that's ultimately what I'm afraid of.
Okay. So ball of your foot here, and then here, just go like this. Just a little up, and then just shove forward with your heel. Heel forward. Heel forward. Yeah. Okay, do it again.
Where's my mom? Just kidding.
Mom!
Just kidding.
Mom! Okay, now do it. Now do the trick. This is
All right,
a tutorial inside of Anything Counts Game of Skate. First ever. What are you doing? Literally what you're doing is so much A, harder, B, scarier, and C, dangerous.
Because I know it's a safety net.
It's not a safety net. This is more dangerous than doing the trick.
Why is that more dangerous?
Because you could fall back on that. Just doing it, you're not going to fall back. Commit, just do it. What are you doing?
I thought that was good though.
Okay, that was really good.
I thought at least I pushed it forward.
Okay, you got this.
I know, I got it. All right, fine.
Out in the world.
It was close, it was closer. Oh no.
There it was, what is that?
I know.
Why didn't you land that? Stay on there, stay committed.
Stay committed. Okay, here we go. Go for it. Thank God. I'm going home. I'm going home.
Okay, was that really scary?
Yes.
Just tell me this, actually, was that worth all of the pain and mental discomfort that you went through? No, I'll die. There's no way I can do it. And then he literally just falls over.
Okay, it was scary at first. Now it's not scary. I didn't land it.
Do you want to do it?
I'll do it again.
Just for the video?
Just to prove that.
Just for the people?
It's not as bad.
There it is!
There we go.
Okay, nailed it. Okay, we're gonna give that to him, no letter. After all that, because he went through a lot of pain. Okay, I actually like that. There's a little full tutorial in there for you guys. You gotta push through the mental barrier. I knew that he could do it, so I wanted to make him do it because he's holding himself back. You don't need to hold yourself back.
I'm speechless because he's not wrong.
Next trick, anything counts, game of skate. You ready?
Oh God, here we go. Oh, what? What the heck?
Just popcorn, but you're standing in Casper.
I don't even know how to even get onto this.
This is Rodney Mullen, baby.
I don't even know how to get onto this.
Okay, that's an S.
I'll take it.
He's got an S.
I'm gonna practice that at home because that isn't fearful, but I'm now just like, how do I even get my foot on this?
It's your turn. That was a miss.
This guy really wants me to do a tray flip.
That was a total miss.
He wants me to do a tray flip. I'll give him a tray flip. Just kidding, I don't know how to tray flip.
This is anything counts, remember.
Hang on, he said he was doing a tray flip.
Oh, you can. I could teach you varial flip.
I can do a lot of stuff.
I bet you could varial flip.
Wait, I could flick a lot of stuff. Like I was practicing this, hang on. I have this. This is gonna be hilarious if I landed this before anything.
Okay, he wants to play that kind of game, does he? Let's play. Okay, this is back to Rodney.
Oh, great.
Shout out Rodney.
Rodney Mullen. What was that?
Varial heel Casper, shove it back. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was a lot closer than I thought he was gonna get. I'm gonna do an inward heel. I gotta learn that
my
trick.
turn.
I promise you I'm gonna learn it. Okay, go, it's your turn.
I randomly came up with this the other day. Let's see if I could do it. I'll try it. I don't even know what it is. I just was making up stuff.
Let's see. Whoa, it was sick!
It was supposed to go under my body and I was supposed to turn, but
that was good. It was like fakie step off front shove.
Yeah, something like that.
Fakie no comply front shove. Okay, I
was
like
supposed to
that.
also turn my body, but oh well. Like that, that's what I was supposed to do.
S? I got an S? Okay, S to SK.
I feel like you gave that to me.
No, I did not. I tried to land that. Ooh, step off Bill, I like it. Okay, your turn.
Ah, sorry.
Oh, I almost died.
There we go.
What the?
Are you okay?
SK. That literally almost put me in the hospital. Ah.
I feel like I should have jumped. Hey.
Easier one. That's easier.
All right, let's see. I don't remember. I used to do this really hard one, but I can't remember it. I think it was like that. I can't, yeah.
Finger flip. Oh, out. SKA.
Almost.
Aaron takes the lead.
Oh, man.
Got him.
Oh, man.
Bro.
It didn't wrap that time.
T?
Yeah.
Is that T? Are we playing a skate?
Yeah.
That's it. This is the last letter?
It is the last letter.
I got something good for you.
How about we not do this trick?
Okay. It's your go. It's your go.
I don't even know how to do that. I would be scared to try out.
It is a little scary. It is scary.
Well, I mean, I feel victorious by at least getting you a letter, so.
A letter? I got 2 letters.
I know, but now I'm just trying to think of what can I do? Can I win the game still? Possibly.
There's a million things you can do to win. But A, believe in yourself. B, I'm always trying to like make the videos into an after school special. Believe in yourself, kids.
Believe in yourself.
But seriously, you do got it.
I believe in myself.
Nollie?
Yeah.
Nollie?
Nollie.
Okay, you're up. It's your turn.
Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even.
Switch no comply?
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Okay, last letter.
No.
I'm interested if he can land this. If not, probably gonna do a tutorial teaching him this trick. Okay, you ready? I got you. For you.
It's a heel flip. Was that just a normal no comply?
Yeah. No comply 180.
Wow, I haven't done this in a minute, so.
But he has done it. You guys heard it here first.
Oh, wait, hang on.
Okay.
Want me to
I'll
redo
count
it?
that.
You want me to redo it? I can redo it probably better.
I will take that, but go ahead. If you want to redo it for your own pride, you can redo it. First try.
That's why I was like,
Let's
I
go.
feel like I could do it a little bit better.
Okay, I'm gonna do one. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of a fly swatter situation. Your hand is down like this. The board pops into your hand.
Oh, that trick.
Let's see if you got it. Now flip it over. Okay, I'm gonna give that to him.
Oh, thank you.
Should I just do the meanest thing ever?
Sure.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. I'll try. I'll try.
Run it, run it, run it.
As a competitive person. Okay, I probably could have landed that.
You have 2 tries, so you have 1 more try. If you bend your knees up really high and commit, you could do it.
I felt like I bent my knees high, but I don't think I bent my knees that high.
No! He rewatches the video.
No, yeah, I'm like this high.
Yeah.
I'm like this high.
Okay, that was good though. As anything counts, game of skate. All right, that was fun. We hope you guys out there are learning how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Keep having fun on your skateboards. We'll see you in the next video.